In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use hashtags on TikTok. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what hashtags are on TikTok, how you can use them to get more views on TikTok. Okay, so all you need to do first is either pre-record one TikTok video using the TikTok camera or upload one of your own. So to do that, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. And also before you actually do that, you can do some hashtag research to get the best possible hashtags for your TikTok post. So you want your hashtags to be in the same niche as your TikTok video so they are related. So you can see this one has hashtag KBLame, hashtag viral, hashtag for you page. So if you have a similar video on TikTok, you can use those same hashtags. So tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. So now you can record one with the camera or upload one of your own. I'll just record something real quick, like 5 seconds or so, just for the purpose of this video. That should do it. Okay, so then all you need to do now is tap on the tick mark and then add your sounds, text, stickers, effects, everything like that, and then tap on next, where you go to the edit page, so you can now include your hashtags. So what you need to do, all you need to do is do your research of your hashtags beforehand and then write out your description. So description goes here, and then you want to tap on this hashtags button right over there. Tap hashtags, so you can put things like for you page, that's a popular one, and then you want to put hashtag related to your post. So in this one I'll put MacBook Pro, and this just helps to organize the hashtags in your video to optimize it for the search engine or the algorithm. Then tap on hashtags. I recommend that you add about 3 or 4. So you can write things like viral and just anything that's related to your video. Then I'll type hashtag laptop for that one, the last one. And then once you've included all your hashtags, I'll just select laptop. Once you've included all your hashtags, you can add people, tag your location, and then you can set who can watch this video. So for me, it's on friends, so I'll select everyone can view it, and then you just want to post that. So make sure that you do your hashtag research before you get to this page, so you can quickly type them into the description box and then post your TikTok video. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.